Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PSN how to turn off two-step verification off without signing in. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What you need to understand is normally USB can only be turned off from inside your PSN account. If you can't sign in, you need to recover your account first. To do it, simply head over and open up a browser. Then on the search bar type in Sony account login or PlayStation account login. Then simply tap on the PlayStation Network account, and then once you're inside the home page of the PlayStation Network, simply tap on the sign in option on the top right corner of your screen. Then that will take you to the login page of the PlayStation Network. Now here what you need to do is tap on the option that says trouble signing in. Then once you tap on trouble signing in, here you'll find an option that says I forget my password or can't use my passkey. So tap on recover account on the bottom. Then once that's done, here what you need to do is enter in your sign-in ID or email address and then simply click on send link. And now the PlayStation Network will send you a reset link via email. Simply follow the instructions to create a new password. Then once that's done, use a new password to log into PSN, and once signed in, you can manage two-step verification by simply heading over to the settings by tapping on the three horizontal bar and then tapping on settings, selecting user and accounts, and then inside accounts select security, and inside security select two-step verification. Once you're inside two-step verification, simply turn it off. So if you can't access email or phone, you can always contact the PlayStation support by simply heading over to the browser and then on the search bar typing in PlayStation support and then tapping on the support page, and here look for the contact option and then explain that you cannot sign in and need to disable 2SB and be ready to provide PSN online ID, account email if known, console serial number if possible, any previous transaction info for verification. Support can verify your identity and help you turn off 2SB. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.